Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Gemini's login not working. First, while logging in, make sure that you are entering the correct email and password. Double check for typing mistakes and ensure that caps lock is turned off. Then, check your internet connection because a weak or unstable network can prevent login. Try switching networks if needed. If you forgot a new password, then click on the forgot password option and reset it by following the instructions sent to your email. You can also try logging in using a different browser or device. Sometimes login issues are related to the browser you are using, so clear the browser's cache and cookies and then try logging in again. If the issue persists, it may be a temporary server problem, so wait a few minutes and then try again. That's how you fix the Gemini login not working. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.